Wow, good job, sweetie. Awesome.
Amazing, right?
Oh, yes.
Today, I'm going to teach you how to play a music. So my name is Kevin, and I'm actually 7 years old. So I actually have talked about all of these. So remember, I could I could play musics that I actually learned by myself in the morning. So which of these buttons are correctly to type? You could type any of the numbers. So look at this. It has many numbers. Look, just like in here, you actually have to type two numbers and just you type or three. So 100. So that's 100. So the piano looks nice and clean. Well, actually, well, anyways, I'm going to make it so beautiful. Actually, I got to start it in here, but I make sure I don't step on all of these buttons, so that I make something like it. Well, I got to turn it up a little bit too much. Oh, 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 oh my dear God. All right, come to enjoy music. So if you want to bank enjoying to read to see some movies that are have some great and beautiful musics, I'm actually going to teach you how to play them. Well, actually, I actually didn't really type in or something like that. Well, right now I gotta play. I'm so scared about to type in some things like wrong buttons. Well, I'm so scared to try it because I already keep trying it over. When I just press the button, I keep trying over. It's so hard and something like that. Well, actually, I typed it. It's actually so funny. Well, let's begin the music that is called YouTube. I do know. I do not want to hear a sound that is so bad. When you actually said that you can't play on the piano, then you better you could click on three. So read with me. 3 step. Listen. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step 3. So you could actually click on any of these buttons if you learned hard. You got to learn hard. So anyways, let's enjoy the music. That's called Special Music. I'm gonna play any of the special music that. Alright, I could actually play story music. It's actually a rock. Alright, well, let's start over here. So let's talk about that movie. Well, we're going to talk right now. Right now, we're going to talk about something like these buttons. Look. You could start. Click on these buttons 2 times. See? It stops. See? It's actually cool. Well, if these won't start, let me go start. Alright, so see, these don't start. Because you actually turned it off. That's why it won't work. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to make these work. You can press this, then this one time. Oops, I actually select parts. Alright, let's start with here. And then it works. See? I told you it might work. Well, anyways, let's start the music. scared about something. Like if I do it wrong with 5 times, I actually get over and I go on my iPad and actually play like music. Actually, let's begin the next music.
Alright.
Actually, it's next the story music. Actually, it's one. Well, I'm scared to type in one. Well, actually, you could use 3 buttons. Then teach you. I actually have 3 buttons and then one. Then you could use one. So, when you see a great button that starts in, look, this is for the new music. Well, this one's special. Actually, teach you that. Well, let's begin this. Well, it's called the ball made of some flour. Actually, I'm gonna play that one. Alright then. Let's begin the next music. Begin my system. Well, it's called the ball made of some flour. Actually, I'm gonna play that one. Alright then. Let's begin the next music.
Wow, good job, sweetie. Awesome.
So the next music, it's only got. Actually, let me think of the music that I actually teach by my mom. Oh, I remember. So I did. So I don't understand what it. Let me think of it more. Oh, I understand now what it calls. It calls dog dancing around in a circle. Alright. So you better find 2 of them. Well, let's just start right here. Actually, see, these don't have 2. So it need to have 2. Right. So let's begin the music right here. Alright then. Let's begin. So don't think about calling this music up. So you better think about if it's funny or not. Well, it's only a tree. Alright, so let's begin.
So cool.
Yes!
Kevin.
So that's the end of the music story.
I'm proud of you, sweetie.
So let's talk about this piano. I'm actually understand how to play on this piano with 3 songs. And I didn't remember the new song is called, but I don't know what play. Well, actually, I want some music tools right now. For best music, I'm gonna get a guitar. That would be nice if I get a guitar. What's a real one? I want a big one because the little one is so tiny one, and it's actually not a real guitar because it's supposed to look like a real guitar. So it looks like it's made of wood. So actually, circle makes some sounds when you. So God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye.